What's going on YouTube? DIY Bill here. Today I'm going to show you how to test the water in your pool using the Leslie's Deluxe Pool Kit. I'm going to test for chlorine, pH, and alkalinity. Guys, remember, subscribe, comment, and smash the like button. Smash that like button. Alright guys, here's my Deluxe Pool Kit. I'm going to test for chlorine, pH, and the total alkalinity. I do have a saltwater pool, but when the saltwater generator returns the water back into the pool, it returns it back as chlorine. Salt is chlorine. So I can test for chlorine. They make different kind of kits. I have this one. It's fairly simple, comes with a set of directions. Always read your directions. It's the easiest way to follow it or do it. But I'm going to go ahead and test out this pool kit. So what you always want to make sure you do is clean out these test kits with the water that's inside of your pool. So you want to stick your arm in. I'll show you how I do this. Clean out even this top, that's sealant. So you take this and you stick it about a foot down in your pool, you know, rinse it around real nice, dump it back out. There are two lines. I'm going to test a chlorine and a pH at the same time. So you want to fill your water up to those two lines. I think that's the hardest part about the whole thing. Okay, so I got my water there, my water level there. And this is for total alkalinity. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. This calls for me to fill up. There's 25 milliliters on there, so I'm going to fill this up to the 25 milliliter line. Same thing, switch it around. All right, I'm right on that line. I'm going to start with the chlorine first. I'm going to add 5 drops of R1 solution, which is here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I really should use the harness kit, but I'm not. And I'm going to add 5 drops of R2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to add 5 drops of R3. R3. They all come labeled R1, R2, R3. And it tells you what it's for on there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and do the pH now. The pH, I'm going to do 5 drops of R14. That's all I'm going to do for that. R14. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put my inverter cap on. Switch it around. You always want to kind of put it up against some sort of a white backdrop. So let's go ahead and see where I'm at. So you can see that the chlorine, I'm right at about, looks like I'm right on the 2.4 level. I just added 200 pounds of salt 3 days ago. My salt generator, or my salt cell, tells me I'm right about 3,400 ppms, so I'm right on point with the chlorine or salt. And the alkalinity, it looks like I'm right at about 7.8, so I'm at the high level, but I'm good with my pH, so that's good. So that's where you want to be. And let's go ahead and test out the alkalinity. Alkalinity, I'm going to go ahead and put in 5 drops of R7, which is R7. I'm sorry, I'm going to put 2 drops of R7 in. 1, 2, and then I'm going to put 5 drops of R8. After I put these drops, it's going to turn green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to swirl that up. Just so it's all one solid green color. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 drop of R9 and swirl every time. And I'm going to count how many drops I put in there. So let's go ahead and find R9. And after I put X amount of drops in there, I'll count the number of drops and I'll times that. So we'll do 1 after each drop. I'm going to swirl it until it turns red. 2, and you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but every time you put a drop in there, a little bit of red swirls around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, starting to turn, 9, 10. It's not completely red. Let's go one more. 10. All right, there we go. 10. So I want to times that by 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. Now the recommended levels that I want to be at is between 80 and 120. So I'm right on point with my alkalinity. You want your alkalinity correct because it helps out with corrosion and staining. So make sure your alkalinity is correct. I test daily, or not daily, but weekly. So make sure you go ahead and get one of these kits. They sell little test strips where you can, real easy ones you can put it in. You get a glass of water and you put it in a glass of water and it tells you all your levels. I like doing it this way. I feel like a professional when I do it this way. So anyway, that's how you test your water your water with the Leslie's pool sample kit. Really simple, really easy. I opened this pool up 3 days ago. All my levels are correct. I'm ready to rock and roll. You can go ahead and put in the steps, fix my deck, and we're ready to swim. Remember guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm just trying to put out some videos, how-to videos. If I can help anybody out, I'm all about that. Comment, like, and subscribe. Smash the like button. Thanks guys. Have a good day.